Hey everyone, welcome back to Edible Gardening. I'm starting to join on this channel with my husband, and we got a bunch of seeds this year. We ordered from one company so far, but we do have more coming in. We're ordering some bushes and a bunch of other seeds to plant out. We're hoping to have a really good production this year. He also saves a lot of seeds. Every single year when we plant all of our vegetables, all our crops, he will save seeds and then replant them. So we didn't need to buy too much, but we did get some good stuff, and we wanted to show you what we're planting this year. Maybe since the corn's at the top, we can start with corn.
Yeah, go for it.
Show the different varieties. Okay, so we have a bunch of corn. I didn't know we ordered this much, actually, to be honest. So we have the super sweet corn. Hold up, there you go. I don't know why it's not focusing too well, but this is the sweet corn. Are these organic?
Yeah, everything's organic and non-GMO. And
okay, so everything's organic,
yeah.
Non-GMO, good stuff. I'm picky with that. We also have, those seeds are loud, so we have the baby corn as well. This should be autofocusing, but this camera is just falling apart. We have, I've never tried this one. How do you even say that? Hoppy pink corn. These aren't, there you go, that's focused. And then we have, I don't know how to say these either. Is this for eating or for decoration?
I think both.
Cochiti, let's see if I can, there you go, cochiti, however that's said. So we did get a bunch of corn. He planted purple or black corn last year, which we actually didn't get to try because it didn't turn out too well. I don't know if it was the wind here or not, but hopefully we can plant some of that as well. What do you have?
I have some kale. We have this kale.
Is it like a, is it a dinosaur?
It's like a giant kale.
Oh, okay.
1,000 head.
He always buys the biggest, like the biggest carrots, the biggest everything. Okay, so what is this one?
There's another one.
Nero, maybe this is like an Italian one. Some sort of kale. So I'm a nutritionist, so we eat a lot of like green stuff.
Here's some squashes, hot pepper, that's more kale there.
Okay, oh, that's kale, cool. I've never tried this one. So here's another type of kale. We kind of collect seeds, I guess. Like we like having random things, to be honest. Yeah, so we have that. Maybe we'll do some lettuce since it's here. So there's also the butter crunch lettuce. I love this one, and they actually sent it for free, so that works out perfect. These are like the bigger leaf ones, I think.
No, I think that's just butter.
Are they smaller leaves?
Butter crunch. No, it's just a regular.
Okay, because yeah, I don't like the tiny little ones. They're too hard to wash. What else do we have?
Lots of.
Are these all the nightshades?
Yeah, these are different hot peppers. Scotch bonnets, some kind that I didn't even hear of. There's a wild chili pepper.
Oh.
So all kinds of hot peppers as well.
He also plants the weirdest and the hottest peppers, and we never can eat them because they're too hot, but he still plants them. Got some thyme. I like to make like, we dry it obviously, and I like to make like a za'atar and things like that with it.
Yeah, basils, I think I had another one here. So there's two types of basil. There's the purple basil, and then there's also the giant basil. So these are really big leaf. It's almost the size of a lettuce, this basil.
It's fun. Love that. And you know what? So the weird thing is not weird thing, but they were sold out. Every website he's been on, everything's been sold out. And sometimes we would add a bunch of stuff to the cart and then say, okay, we'll buy it on the weekend, or we'll check out next, like tomorrow. And then the cart's empty because it's all out of stock. So there's a lot of things we wanted and couldn't get, like a spaghetti squash, for example, but we did get butternut squash, so that's good. And there's huckleberry.
Yeah, we'll try that the first year.
Huckleberry, we haven't tried that before.
Goji berries here.
Oh yeah, those are cool.
And these are goji berries, black goji berries, so that's the first year and these are perennials, so once we plant them, we can just take cuttings from them, so.
Oh yay.
We can make more.
I'm trying to have like a full out fruit farm, so he's been planting a lot of good stuff. These are per my request because I thought they looked really pretty and obviously so high in antioxidants. It's the black carrot, I guess. They look really pretty. And what else do you have? What's that in your hand?
This is actually
here, if you put it like, there you go.
Tobacco plant. So the reason I bought this is because the leaves are sticky when they grow. So if you put that in your greenhouse, it's natural pesticide. Like the bug will land on it and it'll stick to it. So then it gets rid of a lot of pests in your greenhouse.
And will animals eat that, or they know to stay away?
Yeah, no, nothing will eat that. It's poison, so.
Okay. Yeah, so, and then more lettuce, guys. It looks like a romaine, kind of. And another squash. I actually am not a fan of this squash, but we do have some.
And this one is another squash.
That's a squash?
It's like a
it's
really...
so ugly.
ugly squash.
Okay. This one as well.
Yeah, it's just regular chamomile.
We're making tea with that.
Well,
oh, these are cool, purple ones.
yeah, Tomatillos. They're it's hard to zoom in.
It focuses when you put it on my face.
So it's kind of like a tomato and a ground cherry cross. So they're not sweet, but you can make salsa and stuff out of it. But I'm trying these ones because we usually get the green ones, so these are the first time I've seen the purple.
Okay, we have beets and more purple carrots. So lots of dark veggies this year. And there was, I'm gonna let you talk about this one, why you ordered that. Okay, so.
So it's called a toothache plant. You can chew on the leaf or on the flower, and it's actually numbing. So I actually heard people who have insect bites or something that stings, you can just rub it on your hand and it's, I don't recall it.
So like for a bee sting, yeah,
numbing,
it numbs the pain.
Numbing plant, yeah.
Might be good for the kids.
Yeah.
Our son got like 7 or 8 bee stings last year or the year before. Okay, we have cauliflower, regular cauliflower, and also, what is this? Oh, Indian coriander. Oh, it says microgreens.
Yeah, it's like a little one.
Okay, so Indian coriander, this is all we could get because everything else was out of stock. I love cooking with that.
And there's this is buckwheat. It's a pink buckwheat. It's from Japan. I use this as a ground cover, and also we'll use it this year for chicken feed as well. So the pink one. They're usually white, so I thought pink was interesting.
Yeah, I've never seen pink, and we just got chicks, so we should have we have 5 of them if they all survive. We should have some nice cute little chickens running around the backyard this year. Broccoli, we all love that, and also Brussels sprouts, which no one in this family is a fan of except me, but I requested those. And we're almost done.
Yeah, and then there's Bok Choy and Chives. So this is like a little bok choy. I'll try that. They're usually really big, so little ones are really good for stir fry. Yeah.
Okay. By the way, if you guys are wondering, I know you can't see the package as well, but we ordered these. Is that the company?
Yeah. So Rare Seeds is their.
Oh, Rare Seeds. Okay, so they're from Rare Seeds. It's Baker Creek Heirloom Seeds in Mansfield, Missouri. So this one is like a wild za'atar. So technically it's oregano. And almost done. We also have some beautiful yellow carrots. Are we planting all of this year? A little bit of everything?
Yeah, a little bit of everything.
Because we have a lot, like
yeah.
He has so many seeds we're planting. Plus we're, again, I don't know if we're ordering trees, but we're getting bushes.
A lot of bushes. So and also we rotate them, right? So we'll have the spinach first and then carrots and then something will go in its place.
He installed, we should do like a greenhouse tour, but he installed a greenhouse last spring. Mm-hmm. It gave us beautiful food. So this summer we'll take you guys through and show you what we've planted in there. So we have a longer season here as well. So with that greenhouse, so he's able to plant earlier, and then obviously we get food later. What's this? Oh, this is gray zucchini. I think it's like the shorter little, almost Italian ones. And then there's one more. And
this is the last one. This is just actually the spinach. This is a spinach. So I'll be planting those probably early in the spring. And then after that, we'll do the next crop. It's more hardy, I should say. Okay. So we've been living here for 3.5 years, and every year we've been expanding our garden. So we're going to make it even bigger this year. And now again, with the greenhouse, there's even more room to plant. So we have a lot. And we try to get as much as we can from our own property so we don't have to buy as much from the store, especially because prices are going up, and I am very insistent on organic, which gets expensive. So we should have a good production, but we are going to show you guys everything that we're planting once the weather gets a little warmer. There's still snow and all that here, but anyways, that's a haul. If we order in more stuff, we will show you what we're getting, and I think that's everything. Yeah? Good? Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe, hit the like button, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye.